What's going on, you guys? My name is Jace, known as Ghosted TRD on all my social medias. I'm here with a brand new Land Cruiser, and we're about to dig into this some more because Westcott Designs did a bunch of stuff with this thing already, but I'm going to show you what they did exactly. So Westcott Designs did a little bit of modification with a 2nd gen Tundra TRD Pro lift kit on this thing. So it has upper control arms, it has the TRD Pro coilovers with the pre-collar kit installed at the bottom. They also have this wrapped in a 37-inch Nitto Recon grappler with some innovative wheels. This is a plus 35 offset, so it sits super flush with the fenders. You have a tiny bit of poke, but it's just perfect. They also installed rock sliders. This is the very first thing you should do with any off-road vehicle because you want to protect the body of your vehicle. This is a 20-degree rock slider, and it sits really nice with the body. If you want more of like a step, go with the 0-degree rock sliders. That way it's more like a step and you're able to step on it to get up to your roof rack if you have cases up there or anything like that. So with this lift kit, it gives it 3.5 inches up front, 2 in the rear. And with these 37s, surprisingly, it does not rub at all. You just had to remove the crash bar that's behind here. It's 3 bolts to remove that. There is also another bracket, a crash bar or a crash bracket that's up on the frame. That looks like 1 bolt. You just take that off and it comes right out. There is no rubbing at all, no trimming involved at the front end and back end. A lot of thought and design goes into the Westcott products. With their roof rack, you can see a lot of detail goes on in the sides. This design right here is the same exact design as the fender flares, so it's the same exact shape all the way down. And in the back of the roof rack, you can see the most iconic bottle opener on the sides. This is also a bronze color to match the wheels, makes everything flow really nice. So moving towards the back of the vehicle, as you can see, there's a spare tire carrier back here, super nice. Swings out, and the nice thing about this is you're not going to be able to fit a full-size spare underneath the vehicle, especially if you're doing a 37-inch tire. Even a 35 won't fit down there, so a swing out is always the answer. So closing this thing back up, as you can see, this is supposed to say Land Cruiser right here, but it says MOAB Cruiser, and Jeff will talk about that in a future video. So my thoughts on the Land Cruiser: this is a really good platform, super killer design. As you can see down here though, the skid plates are metal. I own a 2024 Tacoma. My factory skid plates were plastic, and you want metal, especially if you're off-roading, because it's more protection underneath. You have better peace of mind. But then also, let's move to powertrain on this thing. It has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged. This is the same exact motor I have in my Tacoma. I don't have the hybrid. The Land Cruisers only come with a hybrid, but with the non-hybrid, I've absolutely loved the powertrain. I have 35-inch tires and about like an extra 1,000 pounds of extra weight on my truck, and that thing gets up and goes. It doesn't feel phased at all. That about wraps it up for this video. Stay tuned for more content with this thing because there's a lot more planned with this, so leave a like and subscribe.